Right, so what we have here is the deliverable. I always recommend deliverables are typed in uppercase, okay? And then below that, I'm going to go task 1. I'm only going to do a couple of tasks to show the relationship situation and the critical path. Task 2, task 3. Okay, let's do 4 tasks just to make it easy. Okay, all right, and then let's have a milestone at the end of that. Okay, so clearly these would be named other things like dig hole and lay foundation and stuff. Okay, 0 days for the foundation. Let's just make these 4 days and 1 day and 2 days and 1 day. So you can see there. So what I'm going to do is just indent those. All right. Once I've indent or demote those, then I'm going to create the link, and there's the project. Okay, so there's the project. Let's see. Now, clearly, these are all critical, and the way in which I display that in MS Project is I simply click on critical tasks over here, and you'll see all of them are red. You see that? All of them are red. Okay, that's to display my critical tasks. That's why I say red and blue are critical colors, are very important colors in MS Project. Okay, all right. So simple. So what you guys have seen in the video here is pretty much the same thing as what I've created here. Okay, different durations, different WBS, but still the same concept. Now let me start playing around with relationships. Let's take this relationship away. Okay, I'm going to take that relationship away. Right. Okay, and then I'm going to join that one to that one. Okay. Now let's have a look at critical tasks, and you see immediately this one becomes non-critical because it has a float of 1, 2, 3 days before it becomes critical. Be aware that if I introduce a longer duration for this task, it then becomes critical. Okay? But at this point, it is not critical. Why have I introduced a non-critical task? Simply because I changed relationships. I can, in fact, do a relationship between this one and this one, okay, and then it becomes critical again, but I will change that to a start-to-start relationship, and you will see once again it becomes non-critical. So what it means is task 1 is in a start-to-start relationship with task 2, but it is also in another relationship. Think, polygamy, basically. All right, one husband, 2 wives, or the other way around, 1 wife, 2 husbands, whatever. Okay, not great in society, but certainly in MS Project it's fine. Okay, so what we've got here is start to start, we've got finish to start. Okay, and then we've got a finish to start as well. So it's a double relationship. Now, in a network diagram, what happens is you get your split over here. That's what it looks like. It's a bit confusing in MS Project's network diagram configuration, but you can see there's a split. It's a branch, what we call a branch. You see that split there, and it goes to there. That's what's happening. You need to get that concept. Once you've got that concept, then you understand the notion of critical path. And it's very logical anyway, because this one can carry on for 3 days before it becomes a problem. Which means that if that one is a problem and there are resource issues with that one, you can borrow resources from this one to put onto that one, thus keeping your project intact. Okay, all right. Therein lies the logic.